In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix Steam corrupt update files and resolve the frustrating issue of Easy Anti-Cheat not being installed on your Steam games. These errors often prevent your favorite games from launching or cause downloads to get stuck in an endless loop. This method is the most effective way to clear out corrupted data and ensure all your game files are correctly synced with the Steam servers. If this video helps you get back into your game, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more essential tech guides. Alright, let's get started with the first and most important step to refreshing your client. First, open the Steam application on your desktop. Once you are in the main interface, navigate to the top left corner and click on the Steam menu, then select Settings from the drop-down list. Inside the Settings window, look at the sidebar on the left and click on the Downloads tab. Here, you will see an option at the bottom labeled Clear Download Cache. Click this button. A warning will appear telling you that this will restart Steam and you will need to log in again. Go ahead and confirm this action. Clearing the cache is a vital step because it flushes out temporary files that might be corrupted or conflicting with your current update. After Steam restarts and you have logged back in, we need to check the specific game that is giving you trouble. Head over to your library at the top of the interface. Locate the game in your list, right-click on it, and then click on Properties. Within the Properties menu, navigate to the sidebar and click on Installed Files. Here, you will find a button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click this and wait for Steam to scan every single file in the game directory. If Steam finds any missing or corrupted files, it will automatically download the correct versions to replace them. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your drive speed, so let it finish completely. Once that is done, try to restart the download or update to see if the corruption error is gone. Now, if your game uses Easy Anti-Cheat and you are still seeing an error saying it isn't installed, we need to perform a manual repair of the service software. Go back to your library and right-click on the game again. This time, hover over Manage and then click on Browse Local Files. This will open a Windows Explorer window directly inside the game's installation folder. Look through the folders until you find one named Easy Anti-Cheat. Open that folder and locate the executable file named easyanticheat.exe.exe. Right-click this file and select Run as Administrator to ensure it has the proper permissions to modify system services. Once the setup tool opens, you will see a button that says either Install or Repair Service. Click this button to re-register the anti-cheat software with your Windows operating system and the game itself. When the process finishes, you will see a success message. Close the setup window and finally, restart your computer or just restart the game to apply the changes. By following these steps, you have cleared your cache, verified your core files, and manually reinstalled the necessary security services. This comprehensive approach fixes the vast majority of Steam update errors in 2026. If this video helped you, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.